What's up, y'all? You're here out here doing the stock truck challenge. It's a rock crawling challenge, and we did not plan this. We picked the exact same truck.
Yeah.
Um, Probably because it's one of the best trucks in the game. Yeah, the stock truck challenge. So picked the same truck probably because this is the best truck in the game. But so this is interesting. Stock trucks. This will be fun.
Yeah.
All it all it's done is engine upgrade and grip. Just give it a little bit of help, and then a winch and a repair vac.
Yeah.
This should be fun. And it's the weird glitch. You are slammed and your tires coming through your fenders.
Yeah, you're lifted.
Nice. See, my truck already has a lift on it.
Probably shouldn't have went this way.
Nah, gotta give him the challenge right off the bat. This definitely does make it a whole heck of a lot more. Uh, you have to pick your line well.
Oh.
There you go. You're probably in low gear already, aren't you?
Yeah, four-wheel drive, low gear, diff lock.
Yeah.
Fully diff locked.
Yeah, just getting it. I'm just flat out throttle. It is what it is. What's the worst that could happen? I roll. Yeah, what's the worst that could happen? I roll it. That's what it is. Get it. Get it. Getting it. Getting it.
Yeah. It,
These trucks look good.
yeah.
Alright. Yeah, they look good, I guess.
Yeah.
I feel like going up this trail.
Yeah, I'm mobbing it.
I'm just in low gear and just having foot to the floor. I'm just low gear, just mobbing it.
Do you want to go up the green?
I mean, we can give it a shot.
I bet. Already know I'm going to use low gear.
I'm just leaving the truck in low gear. Saves me time of having to sit there and switch.
Oh. Oh.
I bet if we just put like rock crawling tires on them, it'd probably do a lot better.
Yeah.
But nope, we're stubborn. And go, give her beans. Do a bean. Oh shit, we're roll. If the roll physics were still in this game, I would have been rolling down this mountain. Nope, no winch. Stubborn. No.
Just trying to be there as a stabilizer.
Yeah, I know. Stabilizers are somewhat helpful.
Yeah, I can't get back up the hill. I went down a little bit.
Would you? Oh, you can't back up it.
Nope. I'm trying.
Be careful, it doesn't spin you around and shoot you off somewhere.
Oh. Oh.
Did it
Yeah.
spin you around and shoot you off somewhere?
No, I'm just stuck.
Oh. I'm high centered.
Hold up.
I'm coming. I'm putting it in
Get back.
reverse. Just this is difficult. Alright, you know what? Here's what it is.
Just drive up the side of the mountain.
That's where I'm getting to. For once your vehicles have done better.
Yeah.
As I roll down this mountain. Coming down. Look out. Just gonna put a repair pack in it. I can put it in high for this. Where you? It's not a trail, but okay.
You know, we're not doing that.
Come on, do a shot. So yeah, these are going to be the same units we use for the farm and sim type challenge. Not really a challenge, but series. And that's the basic necessities.
Oh yeah.
You high centered? There it goes.
Yep. Right on the log.
There we go. Mob it.
Think these things can get up the castle?
You know, I really don't know.
We're doing it. Because why not?
To be honest with you, it would not surprise me if they did, because I am having difficulties right now. Because, stock trucks are just. I was either between this and the Ranger, because I know the Ranger is a really good stock rock crawler. Ooh. But went with this due to the towing.
Yeah, this is better time.
Alright, flat out. Here we go. Oh, I lose my speed right off the bat. There she is. Where are her? Look at her go.
Oh, that's a tree.
Look at her go, boys. Look at this, I'm actually in high gear.
Wow.
It's probably going to end right now, but you actually have to pick your line. I think it's almost more fun.
It's fun to do stock then. Because my other rock crawlers can just right up this.
Yeah, you don't even have to sit there and pick a line. You just put your foot to the floor and it goes.
Mm-hmm. Getting it. Oh, God.
Yeah, the durability, you didn't even upgrade the durability on them either, so. True test to see how durable these trucks are.
I think these trucks can do the actual path.
Maybe. You go right ahead and try that actual path. I'm just gonna attempt to unstuck myself right now, clearly. Get it? Nope. Alright. You're going. Alright. Alright, you're right there, Collie. Come on. Turn right.
Get
There's a little.
on.
Turn right. This is a little bit, struggling. But. Nope. He's coming back down the hill.
Oops.
Mob it. Get it, 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 get it. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. You want to. You want to do it. It wants to. I'm telling you, it wants to do it. Well, now it's a blue truck holding it back.
Yeah.
It's gonna do it. We're going to get these up here.
One way or another.
If I have to use the winch or not, I don't care. It's getting up here, though. Trying to come at it at a straighter angle to see if it would be able to get up these bumps here, but yeah. Oh, my bad. Thought you were moving. I mean, these do have more ground clearance than the stock solid actual pros too. Oh, come on,
No.
come on, eat it. No. Oh, I have $847 damaged out. That would probably be why. Oh, it's so much easier now. It actually has power.
I'm struggling.
I can see that. I'm not struggling as hard as you are right now. No! Repair your truck. You'll get some more power.
Now, how do we?
Turn? Yeah. I was there, and I couldn't turn.
Not just
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
shoot up.
Yeah,
Ooh,
this is interesting.
wait.
Using the winch to turn.
Nope. Come on. Low gear. I might need a push.
Alright, I'm coming. I'll try to get up there, though. I don't know if I can push you off it. I don't know if I can push you up it.
Winch.
Let me get this thing up here.
Come on.
There's a rock between you and me. That's it. Rock
Come
hold
on.
me back from helping you. Come on, get it.
I swear, if we had like rock crawling tires on,
It'd probably do better, but where's the fun in that? If we're going stock, we're going stock. I
wait.
just imagine if there was no power upgrades, how much of
Oh, we would not be going. We would not even be halfway up this.
yeah, I don't think I would have made it up the first hill without power upgrades. I'm gonna try a new way up. Nope, don't do a flip. Got it. Yes, yes.
Come on. Oh, you're up there.
I know this isn't exactly the trail, but if it works, it works.
Yeah.
And it is currently working.
Oh God, that is not good at all.
I think my tire is glitching right now. I want to do it without a winch. So. I don't know if I'm gonna do it without a winch.
Working.
So, pull it like this. There we go. Get it.
Get it there.
Get it. Come on. Come on. Where are you at? Oh, you're trying to come up this way. You can come up the side. Probably be easier. That's not the way I went up the difficult way, and it was a pain. So I recommend. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 It's doing it.
Bro, now I'm stuck in between two trees.
It's not doing it. Don't slide, please. Using the winch to turn.
I hate this.
Come on. Come on. Yes. No. No. I'm stuck up here now. No. There we go. Alright, we've made it up. Oh, jeez. I drove off. Yeah.
Oh, oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. We're getting it. Look at her go, boys. I had to use the winch to turn because it was just after I stopped, it just started to slide. I didn't want to slide back down and have to do it all over again. You know, normally we'd be to this point in like, I don't know, 5 minutes with the normal trucks. It's been like 15 minutes now. And we just got here. Let's see if you can get up next to me in some way. You can push me if you want to. I really don't care. Oh. But try and make it.
Aw,
Hold on, let me get in my truck.
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Now try to park. Yeah, buddy.
No, I'm like vertically stuck.
Well, that worked.
Hmm?
I thought you would have pulled me back to pull that. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, that was rough. Shall we continue along the trail or no?
Doesn't matter.
Well, you're in front, so it's your choice.
We shall continue.
Okay. Oh, I'm in low gear. Forgot that's where this truck likes to be.
Trying to pick little places easier.
Yeah. Not go the hardest places on the map.
Oh,
Just yeet. He's eating it now. Yours has some rust on it. What, did you leave it outside?
no, I bought it like this.
Oh.
It's only surface rust.
Oh, brakes. Ooh, reverse. Reversing up the hill works. At least this hill anyway. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I bought mine. Pretty, it was clean. It had a little bit of surface rust, so we just, flaked it off. And I am having difficulties right now. Major difficulties. Eh. Get it? Jeez. I don't want to use a winch either. Come on. Come on. Slide the rear end. There you go. You're probably halfway across the map at this point.
No, I stopped.
I was joking. These trucks go everywhere much, much slower than the normal trucks.
There he is.
Yep. Bright red truck. Stick out like a sore thumb.
You think, yeah, you come here. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh my god.
Hell yeah. Dude, we're getting this, I'm telling you.
You went so fast. You tried to get so much momentum into that, and then you just hit the rock and lose it all.
Oh yeah. Shouldn't be a problem for you, Blake.
It really actually isn't. This is surprising me.
Bonk.
I took the high edge off it, but it's what it is. Around the
Come on, get it.
Oh,
Getting it.
she's getting it. If there's an exhaust on this thing, it'd be shooting flames. Which way do we go? Up?
I went up, yeah. But you can also go through those logs if you want.
No, I went up.
'Cause it leads the same way.
No, I'm going up. Gotta finish the hill. Ooh, took a big drop there.
gonna work her way back to spawn.
Alright. Back to the trailhead. Parking lot A. You stuck? I can hit you. Whack.
We should try that big massive hill that is hard.
The big difficult hill at spawn.
Yeah,
I mean,
we should hit that.
we can try. All you can
Dude,
do
I
is
have faith.
try. What?
I have faith in these trucks. They could do anything.
I mean, if they can do anything they put their mind to, or their engine to.
Yeah. Oh,
Because we picked the best truck in the game, the 3rd gen.
well, we're here anyway, so.
That's true. We're going right past it, so might as well. Yeet.
Bro, the starter thing is as long as the truck.
The what? The first the first straight up vertical is the same length as the truck. If there was any stock truck that would do it, it would be these. This or the Ranger, one of those two. How's it going for you?
Pretty difficult. You know what? You do it. You try this thing.
Oh. Right.
I'll just stay right here for right now.
Alright, full send does not work. We'll try low. Just gonna, park right next to you real quick. Yeah, I bet you. Rock crawling tires on these, they would probably be perfectly fine. The solid axle type suspension is like, it's a really good suspension. So, let's.
Pretty hard, isn't
it? Yes. Yes. It's not cheating. It was the course. I just don't know.
just the side.
I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up this part. I'm waiting for this in the bike traction randomly and just shoot me.
I don't know if these tires can bite traction.
That's true.
It's funny, we got the same rims as well.
Because of the factory rims.
The rims.
Factory whims. Oh my. This is gonna be the longest crawling video ever. I am going to make it up this. Without a winch, I'm going to make it up this.
Still trying to make it up the first part.
That's fine, because then if we both get up here, it's going to be tight and hectic. Oh no, I slid down. There we go. Right thing isn't not overheated yet. No, don't go back down. Reverse it. Reverse. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Hello.
Hello.
I'm back. Here, watch this. Go like this. Come on, you did it already. You can do it again. Please don't tell me it was just a fluke of me getting up this. Come on. Come on. You can do it, truck. There it is. I see that winch line.
Yeah.
No. I'm just gonna put a winch line up there just to catch myself. if I start the slide. I'm not gonna touch the winch though.
You just put it right through me.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's just a precaution to catch myself if I start to fly. My
Saved.
apologies. My apologies. It's bouncing. It's trying. Oh,
Stay away. Stay over there.
give me a push. Give me a push.
I'm trying.
A little truck that could.
It's moving your back tires.
It's going. Alright, we're using the winch. Alright. Oh, can I not? I cannot connect the winch to you.
Let me just.
You can connect one to me if you can, and that can just be your stabilization
Oh,
if need be. Oh, no.
wait. Oh my god.
I know it acts like it's going to, and then it just doesn't. I can't connect the winch to you for some reason. I think only you can connect one to me.
Hold up. I'm sure there's like an e-brake that I can just put on.
Like SnowRunner?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
We did it.
Little trucks that could.
Yeah.
What the?
Where'd you
What
go
is
now?
it?
Oh, there you go. We got over here.
I don't know.
I don't know, but I'm stuck. There we go. I've said those words, I am stuck, a lot today.
Yeah. Oh, nope.
Oh, it made it.
Where's my trailer?
You want to go back down this? Oh, full send. Let's go. Perfect. I landed it. I know what you're talking about.
Yep. Signature move. Jump in it.
Oh, yeah. It's a move. Alright, well, that was eventful. And, yeah, so, new. Alright.
Nice.
New series that's going to be starting soon is the farming simulation type challenge. But yeah, so he's mobbing it. He's mobbing it. Send her around. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go, boys. Now. Got the old 5-0 in that thing?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got my new unit sitting right here, too. I haven't even taken it off the trailer yet. So. But yeah, new series, the farming sim type series is coming. And, y'all. Have a good rest of y'all day. And, always remember.
Whatever daddy wants, daddy gets.
Oh, yeah. See y'all.